Welcome to the Greendata Ventures Cookbooks, the video series where we share recipes for success. This video will explain accounts in Microsoft's project operations and how to use them. Accounts keep all the information about a potential customer easily accessible so the salesperson can manage the relationship. The account is necessary to create opportunities and quotes for the contact. In project operations, as you can see, accounts and customers are fairly interchangeable. Here we are under Customers in the Customers tab, and it's showing us active accounts. So account refers to potential active or former customers, really anyone that you are seeking to sell to. So today we're going to look at City Power and Light as an active account that I've already created. So City Power and Light has, as you can see, a phone number in here. There's also places to add fax, website, parent account if there's a parent account to this, perhaps it's a subsidiary or something like that. Ticker symbol, relationship type, and product price list in this account information first box. So one I want to focus on is relationship type. If we click under here, there's lots of different relationships that an account can have. I was noting that most of the time you're going to be using customer, but there's also competitor, consultant, even reseller, supplier, vendor. So really you can hold a lot of information in this account section. The other important thing in this first box is product price list. So if you're selling products to this client or customer, you're going to want to set a price list. So we could set any one of these. We can also look for more. And you're going to want to set the bill rates for that based on where they are or however else you do the price lists. The next segment here is address. And this is pretty basic. It's where their location is. There's also going to be a timeline. Now this is going to show you lots of different things. As you can see, there's some auto posts in here, but you can also create things such as activities. Maybe you have a phone call with them and you want to note that, or you want to just write down a note so that other people working on the account know what's going on. The other segment of the summary part is assistant. Right now there's nothing in here. There's also, importantly, contacts. If you want to associate specific people and contacts with this account, you can do so here, as well as associating opportunities. This one already has an opportunity associated with it. And this is really important because you do need an account to create an opportunity. The next thing is going to be cases. We don't have anything here, but this is where you would associate some cases. Then we're going to go over to project price lists. Now over here, I put a price list in here. This is the sales price list, and it's going to basically say, okay, how much are we charging this account for a project, for a services project? And so this can be customized to this client as well as using just a basic one that you've already created. Next thing is details. This is going to have a lot more detail about the account or the company or whatever entity this is. So maybe you want to set an industry, which we have a lot of different industries here that you can choose from, or any of these other elements. If you want to add a description to explain to other people what it is this account is about, you can do so here, as well as marketing, contact preferences, billing, and shipping. And so you can add a lot of information about the account in this details pane. We're also going to look at files today. So files is a really useful area because you can associate, as you can see, I've associated a SharePoint site with this account. So now you can find all of your documents that are associated with this account, perhaps a services agreement or a non-disclosure agreement, whatever you need to work with this potential client. And then we also have a long list of related items. So if you are interested in, okay, what quotes are associated with this potential customer, or as you can see, we have documents, contacts, there's lots of different related items that you can use. So this has been a brief overview of the account